Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to explain the concept of integrated service marketing communications, which is an essential topic in service marketing management. This concept focuses on how companies communicate their services in a clear, consistent, and unified way to customers. Before we begin, let's understand the background. In services, communication plays a very important role because services are intangible. Customers cannot see, touch, or test a service before they buy it. For this reason, companies must communicate clearly to reduce customer uncertainty and to build trust. Integrated service marketing communications helps companies deliver messages that are consistent across all channels and touchpoints. Integrated Service Marketing Communications, or ISMC, is a coordinated process of managing all communication tools, such as advertising, personal selling, promotions, and digital media, so they deliver one unified and customer-centered message. The key idea is consistency. Every message the customer sees, hears, or experiences should match the actual service performance. Why communication matters in services? Communication is critical because services have unique characteristics. First, intangibility. Customers cannot physically evaluate services before purchase. Second, variability. Service quality can change depending on who delivers it. Third, inseparability. Customers participate in the service process directly. And fourth, perishability. Services cannot be stored. Because of all these characteristics, companies need strong communication to build trust, reduce perceived risk, shape customer expectations, help customers understand the service process. Components of ISMC. Now, let's look at the main components of communication in service marketing. The first component is advertising, such as TV, radio, print media, or digital ads. Advertising creates awareness and builds brand image. The second component is personal selling. This involves frontline employees or salespeople who communicate directly with customers. Personal selling is especially important in high-contact services like banking or education. The third component is sales promotion, including discounts, coupons, and special offers. These activities encourage quick responses from customers. The fourth component is public relations, such as press releases, media events, or community engagement. Public relations helps build a trusted and positive company image. The fifth component is direct and digital marketing like email, social media, apps, or websites. These tools allow companies to communicate personally and interactively with customers. The sixth component is physical evidence, which includes the environment, facilities, and the appearance of employees. In services, the physical environment becomes part of the communication itself. The last component is word of mouth, both offline and online. Customer recommendations, especially online reviews, are very influential in shaping customer decisions.
The integration process. To make communication thoroughly integrate, companies must follow a structured process. First, identify the target audience. Second, create a clear and consistent messenger. Third, select the appropriate communication channels. Fourth, coordinate messengers across all channels so the consumer creative the same information everywhere. Fifth, ensure that the service delivery match the communication promise. And finally, evaluate the effectiveness of the communication strategies. Challenge in service communication. Of course, communication in service companies come with challenges. One challenge is managing consumer expectation. If a company ever promise but under delivers, customer will be disappointed. Another challenge is maintaining consistency across many platforms, such as social media, website, and in-person interaction. Companies all face challenges in handling negative word of mouth, especially on social media. Additionally, educating consumers about complex service can be difficult. And finally, building trust in digital communication requires transparency and good consumer service. Strategies to improve ESMC. To overcome this challenge, companies can use several strategies. First, use multiple communication channels, but keep the messages consistent. Second, train employees to become effective brand communicators. Third, use storytelling to create emotional connection with consumer. Fourth, encourage consumer to leave review and manage feedback professionally. Fifth, use technologies such as CRM, chatbot, or analytics to improve communication. And most importantly, always deliver what is promised in communication. Case example, let me give you two examples. The first example is Starbucks. Starbucks maintains consistency through its store atmosphere, friendly barista, and social media communication. All these elements create a unified brand experience. The second example is Gojek. Gojek integrate communication, talk up notification, advertisement, consumer service, and driver interaction. This creates a seamless communication system for users. Conclusion. The conclude integrate service marketing communication is crucial for service companies because it helps build trust, manage expectation, and improve customer experience by delivering consistent messages across all communication channels. Companies can strengthen their brand, differentiate themselves in a competitive market, and create long-term consumer loyalty. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.